index of the first occurrence in a string. Given two strings, needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle and haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of the haystack. So in this example here, we see that we have haystack, which is our uh, where we're going to look for needle. So needle is here. Um, it's sad, and we see that it's at index 0. Well, we see another side here, but it says the first occurrence, the first time we see it. So it's this one, index 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's the second one is index 6, as it shows over here. And here we have haystack, and which is LeetCode, and needle, which is LeetCode too. But we don't have that here. And we see that this is the code manually done here. So we have a negative output because we don't have it. So this is the manual output, the manual code for this. But we see this is an edge case. In case needle is greater than haystack, then we get a -1. And here we go to the length of haystack to minus we look minus the length of needle plus 1, add 1. So if we have a number from I to whatever needle ends, to the length of needle, if it's equal to the needle, so we're going to go to our haystack and see if there's needle word in there, and return the index of I, wherever I starts from. And if we don't have it, we get a -1. And the time and space complexity. So time and space complexity of that is of m times n, a space complexity of O of 1. But a more efficient is by using Python's build and find to find needle index in haystack. So let's return. This is quite simple, much more simple than this, and more efficient. Efficient and simple. Return haystack, and then find needle inside of it. Or needle. Haystack. And that's it. And the space complexity, with time complexity of of 1, no, of n, space complexity of O of 1. And we have already ran this, so let's submit to see if that works. And it's been able to work. O n for space complexity O1 for O(n) for time complexity and O1 for space complexity. And that's it for this problem. It's quite simple. In this case, using the built-in function is much more efficient and simpler than the manual uh, being able to write all this code. And that's it for this problem.